Are you ready to give up dieting forever? Get ready for the Brunchinnersnackessert revolution. It couldn't be any simpler. Wake up in the morning, take a sip of water. Don't eat a thing. Then take a sip of water every hour until it's time for dinner. A day of intermittent fasting plus one sensible standard American diet sandwich for dinner. Your sandwich includes breakfast, a snack, lunch, another snack, dinner, and dessert. Brunchinnersnackessert. Oh, the angels will be singing and so will your heartburn. If you really want to give up dieting forever, subscribe to our Mediterranean Living YouTube channel and learn how.